G'day guys, Paul Belcher from Roberts Real Estate and welcome to my new listing at 1878 Lyell Highway in Lawitta. We're in a great location, 2-minute drive to Norfolk CBD where you'll get all services. We've got rural views, we're on 1100 square metres and the home, 2-bedroom, open plan living. Let's go in and take a look. We're on the level, we're in a great location, close to all services and just over 1100 square metres. We've got a double garage and so much more. Ideal for those looking to step into the market or those wanting to build extra dwellings. If you'd like to know more or to book an inspection, please don't hesitate to call me. I'm available 7 days a week and I'm here to help.